everyone, welcome back to our channel on cooking. Today I and my sister will show you guys about my local food, everyone. If you want to know clear about my local food, so enjoy to watch our video. We add oil, add our garlic, then add our sugar palm, our asanchi, turmeric, then we mix it to be well with all of these ingredients. We cook it until it's so red, and then after that we will add fish sauce. So now it is the time to add our fish sauce. Add our ingredient that we already fry on our chicken like this. And then we cook it until it's already cooked. We line our fresh vegetable to eat with our food. It is so red and look like so yummy, everyone. We add our green onion on our chicken sink. And this is our chili sauce, everyone. Ooh. Oh my god. The best, everyone. It's really yummy. So now I think it is the time to say goodbye, everyone. Thank you everybody for watching our video. Goodbye.